Hi, this is Shirley, the herb lady from Alaska. We're going to talk about one that's been around for a long, long time. Any herb that's got an X behind it is Dr. Christopher's, and it's probably been around at least 100 years or more. And this one is CX. CX is a herbal formula designed to help relieve menopause. And how many people, I never had menopause, well, everybody has menopause, but I never had the symptom of menopause with the liver and hot flashes and all that stuff. It supports female hormones. CX is a blend of herbs that help the body regulate estrogen activity and correct hormone imbalance that can prior to onset of menopause. CX contains herbs that provides your urine tonic effect, helps relieve painful menstruation, edema, fluid retention, and helps the body to combat stress. 8 different herbs, and the number one is Dong Quai. Dong Quai is widely recognized to relieve female complaints associated with menstruation irregular. Dong Quai is often used to help tone a weak uterus, correct hormone imbalance, and enhance the natural rhythm of the menstruation cycle. According to traditional Chinese medicine, Dong Quai is warming. It stimulates and clears blockage, stagnation. It helps the organs restore to being fertile. Traditional Chinese medicine utilized Dong Quai herbs for treating menopause. Research in American Journal of Chinese Medicine, Dong Quai contains herbs, well, it's really a chemical that helps regulate the activity in the body. Furthermore, Dong Quai is believed to be effective for relieving hot flashes due to the combination of the activity and ability to dilate blood vessels and reduce blood pressure. The second one is Blessed Thistle. Blessed Thistle is commonly regarded as a tonic for the action substance that promotes menstruation. It helps regulate female hormone balance. Blessed Thistle also is used for sticky discharge resulting from inflammation or irritation. Blessed Thistle may provide anti-inflammation. It helps with anti-cancer. German Commission E has approved the use of Blessed Thistle to stimulate bowel flow and saliva and gastric juices. Furthermore, Blessed Thistle is high in calcium, potassium, and contains magnesium and some iron. The third one is licorice root. Exhibits action of estrogen. If estrogen levels is decreased, if it's too low or too high, it literally balances it out. If it's higher, it lowers it. If it's low, it raises it up. It helps with the ratio. Licorice root helps with PMS, menopause. Licorice root helps with inflammation. It's a steroid hormone involved in glucose control, carbohydrates, fat, protein metabolism. The main enzyme responsibility both is cortisol, a steroid hormone that regulates the body's electrolytes balance. Licorice may also be beneficial in circumstances involving prolonged stress, where the ability for the adrenal glands to respond to release cortisol has been diminished. The fourth one is erythritol. Erythro it helps to combat stress in the body, which may help both emotional and physical. Erythro is used to increase your vitality and restore the strength of the body's immune system, most likely to, for example, erythro demonstrates a strong antiviral activity, inhibits virus or even a common cold, respiratory virus. A major cause for respiratory illness is influenza A, the flu virus. In addition, a double-blind German study of 36 volunteers demonstrated that erythro boosts the immune system responsibility, enhances the body overhaul resistance to infection as evidence. It helps white blood cells that fight infection, especially the T cells. It helps to maintain the glandular function during the period of stress. Erythro, approved by the German Commission E, is used for treating the lack of stamina and infection. Number 5 is sarsaparilla. A lot of times we don't realize a lot of these herbs can help us so much if we just use them. Sarsaparilla is important, has been shown to help relate hormones that support the help lack of sexual desires in women with low testosterone. Sarsaparilla contains chemicals for inflammation. It's found to inhibit breast cancer growth by up to 80%. In fact, the population with the lowest breast cancer risk is known to consume. Sarsaparilla contains a steroid, saffron, effect in high doses. Since sarsaparilla has been absorbed, prescription medication should be taken 2 hours before or after taking this herb. The 6th one is black cohosh. It's perhaps the thoroughly studied plant providing vital estrogen. In Germany, standardized extract of black cohosh has been used for decades to treat menopause. The German Commission black cohosh as a natural treatment of menopause. In fact, a commercial black cohosh, they have used it widely for the alternative to HRT, with the estimate of 1.5 million women having herbal use since 1956 up to 1997. Over 10 million monthly has been sold in Australia, used in the USA, American Medical Association, and then which they published the Journal of Women Health, helps to confirm that black cohosh safety and natural remedy for menopause and causes cases where HRT is contradicted, such as hormone sensitive. The number 7 is squalvine. Helps a woman to be fertile. Tonic herb known as action effect in the uterus, stimulating circulation, relieving congestion, improving toning, and relaxing spasm. Squalvine has been used for prolapse, abnormal downward placement of the uterus from a normal position. Squalvine has provided a mild sedative. Squalvine has been used to help relieve nervous exhaustion. It helps to aid in labor and childbirth. And the eighth one is false Yukon. False Yukon is regarded as a uterus tonic and natural treatment for menstruation disorders, strengthens and tones the uterus and the entire reproductive system. False Yukon is best known to correct menstruation problems such as absent of menstruation, PMS, for ability to be infertile and help prevent miscarriage. In addition, false Yukon is beneficial in treating early stages of precancerous, changing the lining of the cervix, and inflammation and infection of the uterus. I hope you enjoy the CX